Do you remember a time when you faced a tough decision to make and did it anyway? Or have you seen someone take a shortcut or compromise on quality to save time and money? In this video, let's explore two idioms that summarize these situations cleverly. Let's start with bite the bullet. To bite the bullet means to face a painful or difficult situation with courage, especially when there is no way around it. This idiom dates back to wartime medicine, when soldiers would literally bite down a bullet during surgery to endure pain before anesthesia was available. Here are ways to use this idiom in your daily lingo. I hate going to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet and get the root canal done. She didn't want to fire anyone, but she had to bite the bullet and let the customer service team go for the sake of the company. It's time to bite the bullet and start preparing for your final exams. No more procrastination. Let's now discuss the second idiom, cutting corners. To cut corners means to do something in the quickest or cheapest way possible, usually by skipping the most important steps. This idiom has a negative connotation and is used to describe unpleasant behaviors. Here are some ways to use this idiom to perfection. The flyover collapsed during peak traffic hours. The real reason is they cut corners while building it. If you keep cutting corners with your assignments, your grades will suffer. The bakery doesn't cut corners while buying their ingredients. That's why their cakes taste amazing. There you go. You bite the bullet when you face hardship, and you shouldn't cut corners if quality matters most for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share your favorite idiom in the comments. Subscribe for more fun and functional doses of English every week.